eBeam Smartmarker. A simple way to make any surface smart. Share your notes anywhere, anytime, with any device. Place a regular whiteboard marker into the digital marker sleeve and start writing. You can easily and automatically stream your writing with others and interact with remote participants or colleagues. Edit your notes with the eBeam Marker app and share the content via email, Dropbox, or other apps you wish to use for saving and sharing your notes. The sensor can capture up to 16 feet of whiteboarding area. Smartmarker is the perfect solution for conference rooms or similar areas. Write anywhere you want. Use any regular whiteboard marker just by placing it into the digital marker sleeve, and you're ready to go. Now, every surface can be smart. Get yours now.